dog comes and picks up those bread pieces and runs towards its kennel where it has few puppies, around 4 to 5 puppies. It doesn't eat any bread, but it takes all those bread pieces for its puppies. And the puppies just jump onto the food and they start hogging. The dog watches them having their food, but it is on its empty stomach, but still very satisfied. What do you think? If a 3.5-year-old kid watches such a scene, what can go into its mind? I was 3.5 years old when I saw exactly this scene through the window of my house. I ran to my mom and I said, "Mom, you're exactly like a street dog Ramu." My mom got very wild, angry, and she said, "What makes you say that?" Then I said, "Mom, every day you prepare food for us, you feed us, then at the end, if nothing is left, if we finish off everything, you share your food also, and there have been many nights wherein you have slept on an empty stomach." So that's how I compared you with a street dog. Okay, that is on a positive side, wherein I had that kind of maturity when I was just 3.5 years old. My mother still shares it with everybody as though I had won a Guinness World Record. On the other hand side, I was literally a tomboy when I was a child. The main reason is we were 3 sisters. I have an elder one and a younger sister. So entire family, all my relatives used to show sympathy to my parents, saying, "What are you going to do? You have 3 daughters. How will you bring them up? You have to get them married. You have no security in life. And in your olden days, there is nobody to take care of you." That always used to pinch me a lot. And I always used to compete with the boys. I always used to prove, I always wanted to prove that I'm no less than a boy. I wanted to excel. That made me a bad child. I used to beat up other kids just to show that I'm much stronger. I used to climb up the impossible to climb kind of trees. And yeah, many things. So this was how I was till 6th standard. But there was a turning point in my life when I moved from 6th standard to 7th standard. I was admitted into a very famous and well-known school of Dharwad, which is called K. Boards High School. It was not just a change from one school to another school, but also Kannada medium to English medium. So I was very comfortable till 6th standard, speaking in Kannada, all time play, no studies. But in 7th standard, there were a lot of expectations. All together, speak in English, converse with the fellow kids, fellow classmates in English. Very difficult. But I don't know what went into my mind. I took it, I don't know how. I took it as a child. I was very small. But I did really work hard. I used to literally write 2 lines above each line in the textbook. I used to write how the word can be spelled, can be pronounced in Kannada, the English word, and also the meaning of the word in Kannada. So whole textbook used to be filled with my notes like this. In the end, when the results were out, I didn't just amaze everybody, but amaze myself by scoring 1st rank in the 7th standard. And this journey went on. I was literally transitioned from a tomboy image to a studious, reserved kind of a girl. And in 10th standard, I secured 16th rank to the Karnataka level, state level examination. There was another turning point which completely changed what I had believed. It was in Nokia Siemens Networks. I joined Nokia Siemens Networks, Siemens, as a system integration test engineer. I was doing pretty well. I got lots of awards, Star Performer Award, Inventor Award, Appreciation Award, all that. And I thought, I have reached that level of success. Nobody can stop me. But one day my manager called me and he said, we have an offer from the management side. We want to offer you the role of product manager. Then I was like, I didn't know what a product manager does every day. Then I thought, let me try. I took it, and then I was called. I was called for a meeting from a German lady whom I was supposed to report as a product manager. She had arranged for an introductory session wherein we were supposed to introduce ourselves. That was a very first meeting wherein it was know your team kind of a meeting. Everybody started introducing. First was my manager herself. She said, I'm 50 years old and around 20 plus years of experience in Siemens and 10 plus years of experience in product management. I was literally taken aback. My mouth was shut. Then I just said, all is well. Let us wait to hear other members. They may be at my level probably. Then the team went on introducing themselves. Everybody was minimum 10 to 15 years experienced in product management itself. And when it came to me, my introduction was something like this. Overall, 3 years of IT experience, 0 product management experience. Then, of course, it was another challenge for me to sustain in the product management role. Then I read a lot of self-help books like The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, how to reach what you want in life from where you are. All such self-help books, and it really helped me a lot. And then I decided to really go out of my comfort zone and have that self-belief and work towards achieving my dream to be a successful product manager. And still it has been 4 years now, I am still with the same team, working and really have a very good name there. Yes, that's all about me, myself and I. Thank you.